That's one of the main parts of this group, I would say, is the intergenerational part, because to me, I feel it's something that I'll be exploring even more now. And the fact that the parents who I've been working with feel empowered.
Children, it's really sort of built up their confidence. It gives them skills for life as well. It's something that they'll take on here. Gardening, cooking, it's things that they'll just sort of carry on with.
In doing this sort of work and learning about gardening, growing their own vegetables, making, like their own sort of meals with all these vegetables and showing them to the group, discussing it, that's something that will continue.
It definitely has taught me a lot about being a bit more self-sufficient and being more aware of our imprint on the environment. And
we learned how to make pots in a pottery place, and we painted them, and we have them now to put the fruits of our labour in.
We've really enjoyed it, and I think it is just about having fun with your family